So here's the Aeromotive Stealth 11569 340. Is it 340 pump? Yeah, 340 pump. I'm upgrading from the Walbro 255. Sorry about my hands. I just came from work. I haven't showered yet. I got like hella other car shit to do. But comes with a hose. This is for that pickup, the harness. This, and then you have to wire that into the factory harness. This is that oil, the fuel pickup. That's the cap for there. It's really easy. Put that on. Get these hose caps. One on here. One's gonna go onto the actual line that's gonna be sending it to the actual rail. And then there's a sleeve. You just slide the sleeve right over here. It's a perfect fit. Haven't run Aeromotive, but my friend Scott from Black Moon, that's what he uses. Yeah, because my fuel pump's pretty much dying. I'm using the Walbro 255, and it kind of sucks. I think I got it used, or no, I don't even think I got it used. It just kind of died out after about a year of it being turboed. I like a lot of hard driving. So hopefully this helps out a lot. It'll stop all that spark blowout. But I'm gonna just get the sleeve on. I'm about to get my haircut first, and then I'll show you guys everything afterwards. Alright, so this is it fully assembled. Just put the fuel cap on, that cover. I have this clamped on. This is just right there, just so I don't lose it when I'm bringing it over there. And then the harness connected. This one I'm going to solder onto these two, solder onto the wires from the S14. So, it's practically there. Just about to drop it in. And I like how this connection is, because if this fuel pump works really good and this fuel pump ends up dying on me, I can just pop this off, keep the factory clip, or keep this clip, harness pigtail, and then plug it in onto a new one, and I'll have another setup really easy. It shouldn't take me that long. I'll put probably a picture over the screen of how the S14 is supposed to sit in, the fuel pump is supposed to sit in there. Just because the first time I did it, I kind of fucked up and didn't get it sitting right, so then I had to move it again and take it all apart, and yeah, I just want to save you guys the trouble. But yeah, again, go out and get my haircut, and then afterwards get this in. Alright guys, so yeah, I just got my haircut. Gonna be putting the fuel pump in this fuel pickup. It's a little bit different design than the how the other ones are, so I think I'm gonna have to use the other oil pickup, or the fuel pickup, sorry. Besides that, I'm going to be putting on the rest of the kit back onto the car, just because nothing's on it right now. But yeah, going to do that real quick. I'm probably going to put the parts on real quick first, just so then it looks nice and I feel happier about the car if the fuel pump doesn't go good, but it should. I'm just bring it down a little bit so then it's not all the way up there. But yeah, I'll get cracking on that. I'll probably just record like that part. Guys, so this tire de-beaded. I'm gonna show you guys how to rebead it. You just take brake cleaner, spray it around, and you light it, and it should pop open. Let me try to get the camera set up. Alright, so yeah, like I said, just spray it around, and then just light it on fire. So as you guys can see, it's all seated and everything now. I'm just gonna get my air gun, grab the battery from impact drill. I'm gonna do just fill it up with air, just like any other tire. I'm gonna wait till it gets this one has a slow leak, so I always put it to 40. But I'm gonna put the camera up and I'm gonna try to get everything on. how the S14 is gonna look for a little bit. I have the roof wing already painted, but I am getting the trunk, the roof, and the doors and the side view mirrors all wrapped. So I just wanted to paint everything else, make it look all clean, give it a new look. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty sick. Oh shit. Yeah, but these wheels. Oh fuck. Huh. What up? Alright, that's better. But don't worry about the fitment. The fronts there look nice, but the rears look like shit. Yeah, pretty bad. Those wheels, that whole set is going, the Viennas and the VSKFs, they're going on the Supra. I'm going to be running these Cerberuses in the rear, and then these Versiglios in the front. It's gonna look pretty nice. You guys see my Instagram, it's on there already. But now it's time to start working on the fuel pump. So I'll just walk you guys through it a little bit, getting in here and stuff. I think the best point of action might be to do it from the trunk, just because of the cage and all this shit. It's gonna be kind of a pain to work in there, but right in here. I have a bunch of shit in here right now. I look dirty and dusty. It's located right in here. Let me just see if I can pull this out. Give me 1 second. Alright, so it's these 4 10mm bolts. This is just a plate cover. This comes off, and then you guys will recognize this if you guys seen like a fuel pump install before. But I'm gonna do it from the trunk just because I don't want to deal with the cage. This strut bar might get in the way. We'll see. I don't think it should. I should have enough space. But yeah, I'll start taking that apart. There's 2 connectors right there, and then the lid should flip back over here just to give you a little bit more space. Yeah, right there. Good enough, whatever. But now what you have to do, take these 3 off. You can't really mix them up because they kind of go to the same spot, or like general area. This is out, this is in, this is for the evap. Is it evap? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's evap. But it's just this Phillips, these 2 clamps, pull it off. Just try to keep them out to the side. Fuel is gonna come out of here, so you guys have to remember that. And then this whole part twists off. So let's see if I can get it while recording. That. Again, I've done this before, so these might be a little bit easier to come off once I get the clamps off and everything. Just because I did it before. But if you guys, it's your first time doing it, it's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. It wasn't too bad for my car, but everyone's car is different. Let's see if I can start it up. Oh. Alright. 3 off. Oh shit. So you get this one right here off. Those 2. This top black part spins off. You can kind of just put the fuel hoses to the side, just so you can see it's off easier. Once that's off, then the fuel pump and assembly should just come straight out. I don't know if you guys can see, but from right here, I think it might be a little bit dark. Let me see if I can get into. Nah, I can't even see into there. But everything is hooked up onto there. Wish I had a flashlight, but the fuel pump and everything on the S14, the back seats are at an angle. So if the back seats are like at an angle, the fuel pump sits at that angle, and then the pickups up to the bottom. So to get it onto there, you have to like hook it onto there. So from this way you can actually see it. I actually had an easier time from the inside. Yes, I know, even with the cage. I had to wiggle into here and kind of just prop myself on the cage. But let me see if I can just pull it out right now. It's just this little hook that holds onto there. Like in that picture that I put on there, that's what holds it. So these wires, oh shit, that doesn't really matter. But these three wires go to the level sensor. These two I soldered on with heat shrink for the fuel pump. And then I believe also this other one's for the fuel pump. I think I'm actually gonna use this one. Or I mean the other one that I have on here, because it looks way better than this piece of shit. Because some like go straight down. That's how I see a lot of the setups. I'm just gonna squeeze some of that fuel out of there. This one I'm walking it out. It's not hella everywhere. So yeah. Now what I have to do, I have to actually disconnect this and pull this off. Yeah, disconnect this. Yep, disconnect that, and then the only other part attached to it is this other hose right here. This hose. I think actually I might use this one. That's on this on my old setup. Or no, yeah, that's actually the one I'm supposed to use. That's the factory one. I'm gonna take this off right here, this hose clamp, because again, the new one has a new setup right here. Sometimes they want you to cut that hose, but I felt safer just putting it over hella far. I think to take it out of the car right now, I'm just gonna remove this side, just so then I can pull out the whole assembly and get it looking all good. Yes, all this fuel onto my harnesses and shit. God damn it. I'm gonna stink up this fucking car again. Like always, every time I do this. Alright. Let me get up here. Oh shit, that fucking hurt. But, fuel pump out, the retainer. So, let's go into the garage. I'm not going to be working out there because that's our new toolbox. I am going to be doing it right here on this. Alright. So this is a comparison. This is a Walbro 255. This is Aeromotive Stealth 340. Those lengths, about the same. It's about the same size. This pickup is way bigger. I love this. So now, look at this. This shit looks hella dirty and fucked up and shit. All bent out of shape. So that's probably another reason why I wasn't getting any fuel. This connector is different, sadly. So I am gonna have to solder in the new one onto the other plugs, or onto the other wire, which kind of sucks. But whatever. It's kind of what has to be done. So let me get this disassembled real quick and then I'll show you guys what to do. Just a little rubber retainer that sits on the back of this. Then it just pops out. Then you just pull that line off right here. So now, again, just to put it on. You put that on and then you slide it into here. I don't know if Aeromotive, this one was supposed to exactly fit in this. It should. If not, then I will use a hose clamp and then kind of just stick it to this, just so I know it doesn't fall out at all. But I'm pretty sure it shouldn't. But you know, you can never be too safe. So I'll show you guys after it's assembled. Alright guys, so I didn't want to solder it just because I didn't solder it before. I was told before, do not solder this because it's just bad for it in general. So what I did, I put the little bud connector and then the heat shrink around it. This is the new pigtail right there. So I'm gonna do, let me get out the card. leave that there for now. Close this up. Close this up. Grab my stuff. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now is grab the new fuel pump on the truck. Sorry. But what I did was, after I put it in, because the Walbro 255, they fit perfectly for this, but this one it doesn't. So I just put a hose clamp on it and then kind of tucked it away a little bit, just so it's not everywhere. Gonna attach this line. All you have to do, attach this line, and now since that connector is on there, you just connect it, and then you hook it on the inside, and then you should be good to go. Close everything up, and it's exactly how you took it apart. Right now, I'm probably gonna cook some food, because I'm hella hungry, and then come back outside to work on this. But yeah, the struggles of putting everything back, like going back inside. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna close up. Then I'm gonna come back to the car, do it in probably about 30 minutes or so, and then right after that, go straight to work, and then work on the Supra. I don't know if I'm gonna take that. I'm kind of out of gas, so I might take the Z again, but we'll see. But yeah, we'll see what we cook. But I got that fuel level sensor mounted, and then this is the actual fuel pump. They're both mounted now. Now I should be good to go. Should have no issues starting and everything. As you guys can see, that is the bottom of the fuel pump. That is right there. It's the fuel pump. Should be good to go. So I'm gonna start buttoning it up. Might do it right now, or I might do it later because I have to get to work on the Supra again. So yeah, fuel pump, pain in the ass all the time. Yeah, there's no real way around it. Fuck it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, the fuel pump's mounted right there. The fuel level sensor is right there. You get that right. You get the hoses out of the way. Try to orient it kind of facing the same way that it was earlier. Make sure this rubber grommet sits properly all the way inside of the fuel tank. That this little rubber grommet right there. Make sure. Oh, shoot, it's not sitting properly. So, yep, right there. It sits properly. You have this hose. You have this hose. My little retainer thing fell off. But now what I want to do, hold out of the way again. Sorry about my hands, they're covered in fucking gas. They hurt because it's fucking freezing. So like I said, you screw this down. Sorry about the angles, guys. You screw this all the way down, make sure everything is out of the way, and then you could just reconnect these hoses to their appropriate spots. Yep. Gonna head off to work and get the Supra running. Alright guys.